We're on a journey with Samsung.
And today, we are at Singapore Night Fest.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
So now we're gonna start the tour. We just had a few amazing drinks and quiz. The quiz was super good. So follow us on the tour. Let's go.
For me, one of the most underrated.
So now we're gonna continue to explore the rest of Singapore Night Festival. Now we're gonna compete to see who can take the most unique photo using our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So what I'm thinking now, I'm most probably gonna take a food shot or music. I heard there's a performance going on here.
Yeah, this guy don't want to take photo, come and disturb. Walao. Want to steal my idea. Like that, huh? And then got what difference?
Photographer leh.
I want to do a jump shot, like normal phone, right? If
I'm gonna go with food because we are the Meatmen. Thank you. Damn. Look at that burger.
they're over there taking photo. I will use the unique angle from the Flip 5, right? Then jump in front of an installation, art installation.
Now that we've taken a lot of interesting photos from different angles using our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5,
Stay tuned and see the results.
I shall name this island Singapore.
Hello, so this is what I'll be waiting for.
to see who took the most unique photo between the both of us. Now we're gonna get our photographer Hao Jie to judge us. Hello.
So now we're gonna show Hao Jie for most unique photos and let him be the judge. Who will be better?
I first. This is my first photo. Okay. Second. Third.
Can you tell me more story about this?
About this one?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so right, for this photo, right, we took it on a tour, so at Princess Street, right, and then I saw this very beautiful building, College Art something art center lah.
Okay, my turn, my turn. Okay, then this is photo 1. Photo 2. Photo 3. Nice, right? Which one you want to know more?
Tell me more about this.
Okay, so this photo, right, is actually at Chimes, right? So just now when we were walking in Chimes, I already saw this like information board. In front, they say they got a projection mapping sponsored by Samsung. Singapore Night Fest by Samsung. So right, I wanted to take a photo of the projection mapping together with the Singapore Night Festival. Okay, so now Hao Jie will choose the winner of this unique photo competition.
Okay, so why?
The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip
capture a very nice color, vibrant color of the building. Stay tuned for more Two Bros on the Go content with Samsung at the Meatmen.